All right, we're almost done here. So there's just 3 more tabs: the shipping info, fitment, and reviews. Shipping info is pretty straightforward. You want to include the dimensions of a product and the weight so that you guys in the warehouse, when you're ready to ship it out, know which box size to use. And from the customer's perspective, they get a good idea on how much the shipping will actually cost depending on the carrier or the speed. So according to Doug, the way that you explain dimensions is based on size. So I'll use this little tin as an example. And so you're supposed to go with the smallest dimension first. So in this case, it would be height. So I would list the height of this tin, and then next I would list the width, or it could be the depth, depending, width or depth, and then I would talk about the length. So you want to include those dimensions in both metric and imperial, I think that's what it's called, so inches and centimeters. And then you also want to include the weight in both pounds and kilograms or grams or whatever it may be. The next thing that you want to provide is the fitment. But what's great about the Magento site is that the fitment will really populate for you. And so depending on how the integration works, you might not need to do anything, or you might just have to copy and paste the just complete list of scooters that a particular product fits. And then finally, the reviews tab. So this is something that is actually populated via user-generated content, so you really don't need to do anything there. And that's it for product detail pages. Just keep in mind what's really, really important is that crafting copy for these pages is really part art and part science. All of the questions and the kind of formulaic approach that I've included in these videos and in the PowerPoint outline the science portion of it, because there is a formula to crafting effective copy. But the art comes along with your intuitive knowledge and understanding of how these products work, what they actually do, and the kinds of customers that they're perfect for. So keep that in mind when you're actually writing the copy. Make sure to draw those conclusions and make those transitions really smooth, just as if you were talking to someone in person and explaining why they should purchase this product. The more genuine and conversational you can be, the more effective and better the content will be in the end. So I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.